The error-code E47 error on a Frigidaire washer indicates a problem with the door lock circuit in spin mode. This issue can be caused by a faulty door latch or a wiring harness malfunction. To resolve the issue, it is necessary to inspect the door latch. Start by unplugging the washer from the power outlet. Then remove the door latch assembly and check the PTC. Using a multimeter, measure the resistance. A normal reading should be around 1500 ohms. If the value is significantly lower, it may be a sign that the door latch is damaged and needs to be replaced, in which case it is recommended to seek the assistance of a qualified technician. Additionally, inspect the wiring harness connection between the door latch assembly and the electronic control board, and reconnect any loose wires. If the wires are damaged, they will need to be replaced, and it is advisable to contact a technician with experience in similar repairs to ensure the job is done correctly.